Income tells you what you earn. Net worth tells you if you're actually getting ahead. Most people only track one of them. What is net worth? Everything you own, assets, minus everything you owe, liabilities. Bank accounts plus investments plus home equity minus all debts. This single number shows your true financial position. Why income is not enough. High income plus high spending equals low net worth. Average income plus smart saving equals growing net worth. Net worth is the score, income is just one input. How to calculate yours right now. Add bank balances, investment accounts, home equity, car value. Subtract mortgage, car loan, credit cards, student loans. The result, even if negative, is your starting point. How to grow it. Reduce liabilities faster than lifestyle grows. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Avoid depreciating debt like car loans and credit cards. Track it quarterly. Log your net worth every 3 months. Negative to zero to positive, one of the best journeys in finance. A simple one-page tracker is all you need. Download our free net worth tracker printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.